All right, how y'all doing today? How y'all doing today? Today I'm gonna talk about M1 Finance. That's the platform I'm using. As y'all can see, I'm gonna take y'all into it, show you how it works. So for y'all that don't know, so as you can see, I'm with the real estate. Most of my holdings is in real estate. I only got like $490, 23 cents. I just opened this brokerage. I was with Robinhood. I had like over 20,000 in there, but I had to take all my money out. Now I just open them on finance. So right here it tells you my all-time gain, $10.70. I'm up 4.8%. Right here, my cash balance, I got like $10 right there. And right here where you see it says auto invest, if y'all can see, right here is where you reinvest your dividends. If you keep this on, it's gonna automatically reinvest your dividends. But you gotta wait till you start making like $10, I think, in dividends or something like that. I'm not exactly sure, something like that, for it to start being reinvested. But anyway, let's jump right into it. So today I'm gonna show y'all, the desktop version. It shows you my balance, it shows you edit, rebalance, buy. Right here, if you go down, it'll show your dividends. Right here, I earned $2.40. That might not sound like much to y'all, but that's my own money I'm about to create. I gotta build it back up from start. Like I said, I was with Robinhood before, so I'm starting back from scratch. So in M1 Finance, they have what's called like pies. So basically, you got to add slices. If y'all can see right here the arrow where it says slices, that's what, like, basically your stocks. The word for stocks in here is slices. So I got STHD, that's the index fund. I got Uber because Uber just got added to the SP 500. So I don't know if y'all know about the SP 500, but that's a big deal. So that's why I bought that. Then we got VNQ. That's a Vanguard real estate ETF. So you can get to jump into that. Then we got Exxon Mobil. We got Exxon. That's oil. Y'all know about Exxon. Then I got Main Street Capital. That's another real estate sector. Realty Income is another real estate sector, and they also pay you monthly dividends. So for the people that like money a little faster, that might be a better option for you because they do pay you monthly. The one above that, Main 2, this one, it pays monthly too. So for y'all that want to get more money, you don't want to have to wait too long, you want to get it monthly, these are monthly dividends companies. Now, right here, you can name your pie. Like mine is called real estate. Like you see up top, like I showed y'all right here, it's real estate. Right here, the top, you go to the top, activity. It shows you like everything you did. So if you want to know what you did, I deposited $240, $10. Right here it says I got 4 buys. Was that yesterday? I didn't lay there before. I got like 4 buys. Right here show all your dividends. So I made $1.22 right there. It ain't much because I just started. Right here, the dividend main 39 cents. Right here, 34 cents. And then if you go down, it just shows you all your deposits you made, everything you didn't put into here and all that, blah, 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 all that shit. So right here, your holdings. Right here, so 6 positions. It'll show you how much you got, like your maintenance right there, cost basis, show you how many shares you got. Like right here, showing how many shares I got. I got a little over 1 share, a little over 1 share right there for Uber, little over 1 share right there for Main, and shows you your value. So how much money you got in there, $40 right here, 62, 82 right there, 99, 100, 102, 61 cents. So that's pretty much your holdings right here, your funding history. You can go right here and check how much I didn't put in, the deposits, whatever. Then you go back to the profile. Very interesting. So I'm gonna show y'all how you can edit a pie. Let's say y'all wanted to buy and you didn't know what to do. You was confused. You can hit edit. You go over here, and right here, if y'all see right here, if y'all can see, the pie is called real estate because most of my stocks is in the real estate, so that's why I put real estate. But if you slide over, I'm gonna show y'all something. So let's say you wanted to buy a stock and you didn't know what to do. You got on here, you confused as hell. Like, how do I do this? You would hit add slice right here, and what this does, it's gonna take you right here now. Now if you see, it's showing you all these different stocks, all individual stocks. You got Apple, you got Microsoft, you got Google, all the main top companies that most people usually want to invest. You got Tesla, you got just anything you want, you know what I mean? But right now, I'm gonna go with a company called Texas Roadhouse. So I'm gonna show you. I would see in the top search bar right here. I would type Texas Roadhouse. There it is. Boom. Click that. So this is what you would do. Once you click that, They show you how much it's going for. It's going for $118.37. So if you wanted to get this, it tells you right here the payout ratio, the market cap, the dividend yield is what, 1.89%. So this tells you how much you're gonna get for buying a share. So that's how much you're probably getting paid from the dividend. So that tells you how much you're gonna get for investing with them when you buy that share. So that's important to know. And it ain't really showing no expense ratio. So look, let's say you want to get this. You like, okay, let's see where it's been doing for the past, what? It's been up for the past day. Today it's been up. It's been kind of jumping up and down. Let's see what it's been doing for the past. Right here at the bottom, you can see how it's been doing the past week. Past week it's been kind of down. Past month. Oh, let's see what we're doing the past month. Back in December. If you scroll right here, you can check the graph, kind of go up, see where it's been up. Okay, it was up $8 right there, 7.7%, not bad. Let's see what they did the last 3 months. Oh, the last 3 months they was doing pretty good. If y'all look, see right here the scale. You just check the scale. Boom, they was up what, 17 right there, 19.66%. So they've been pretty much steady. You know what I mean? So if you wanted to buy this, like me, I've been looking at it. So I just hit add basket. You see that add basket, and if y'all noticed. If you see the bottom of my screen now, it says Texas Roadhouse at the bottom of the screen. So what that does, you just hit this, you hit add. Now what it does, this is my back of my pies. So this is back to my portfolio. If y'all see, remember my pies, my area with all my stocks. Now if y'all look at the bottom, if y'all notice, see what it says right here? Texas Roadhouse. So that's in there now. So if I wanted to add that into my profile, I would have to remove 1% because everything has to equal 100%. So see at the top where it says remove 1 to total 100. So let's say I would go right here to this stock. I would go to 4%. Now it says total is 100%. Now what I would do, I would just press add that 1%. And if I would hit continue, it would add that in there. So 1% of my money will go to Texas Roadhouse. That makes sense. But since today I'm not really trying to do that, I'm going to just delete it. So I would click here, go to delete, just to show y'all an example. Now, if you notice, that's gone and it's back to my 35%. All the percentages I got the money going to these stocks. Now, let's say you wanted to put some money into like one particular stock. You would just go right here. Let's say you want to put 100. You would just have to remove. All these, so you have to bring this down. Let's say you have to bring that down like 10, for example. For this one, you have to bring this down some more too. You probably have to bring it down to like 5 or something. Right here, you have to bring this down. So you would go, let's say like 10. Right here, you would go to like 5. Right here, you would go to 5. So you would go 5%. Right here, you would go boom. So let's say you went to 1. Then right here, let's say 100%. Let me see. You would just kind of keep on adjusting, you know, like kind of adjusting, just lowering it till you get it down to like where you need to be. So right here, so I would say mostly like, let's say this 100 will just go, get y'all a better example, 95. So we'll go to 90. So let's move this to 5. Gave y'all an example. Then this right here, we'll go down to like 3. So we'll go 3% right there. So now we need to remove 9. So we'll go right here, boom, well that's that. Getting down close. So we'll go to 1%. You just keep adjusting down until you get it. So basically what I'm doing, all my money is gonna go to SCHD. So I'm just showing you how you could just ways you could just take it down. See now, if you look at the top, if y'all notice, it says 100%, 100% now. So if I want to put all my money towards SCHD, when I would invest it, all the money is 90% of it's gonna go to SDHD. So it ain't like some companies, you know, brokerages is different. You know, you can kind of just buy that stock if you want to do it that way. But in here, it's like they kind of rebalance it for you. So you just change the percentages in your pie. And since I wanted to put more money in SCHD, I would just adjust it like that just to give y'all example. So 90% of my money now when I invest is gonna go to SCHD. So that's just an example to, you know, show y'all. So just an example to show y'all, you know. But yeah, now if we go back to the main page, I'm gonna show y'all something else. Right here, if you go back another page, I'm gonna show y'all something else. Where is it at? So I think it's not so if you go to invest, show y'all. settings. Where is it? I'm gonna show y'all something else. I think I go to pies. I think I might have passed it, but so go to home, go to invest. I think it was down here somewhere. So let's say I think it's under buy. So here we go. I'm gonna show y'all something real quick. So right here, so my cash balance is $10. So let's say I wanted to spend this $10. See where it says buying power. So let's say I'll do 10. I type in 10. I hit buy, confirm buy. So what that's gonna do, it's gonna go right here. If you go to view details and go right here to check, see it says the buy is real estate 10. So majority of the money, if you look at these two companies at the bottom, it's gonna split that between the two companies. So $4.82 gonna go to ACHD, and $5.17 is gonna go to Realty Corp. So that's kind of how I do it. It's gonna split that up and do it. It's gonna split it between them two companies on its own. I don't even have to do nothing. So it's just showing you right at the bottom what it's gonna do. So that's pretty cool. So you ain't gotta worry about really doing much. So then I can hit cancel just to give y'all example, and then it's cool platform, and a lot of other things you can do for people that just started. Then you can do let me see what else you can do. You can hit borrow. You can go in here to borrow. I don't want to borrow nothing though, but yeah, you can hit right here, hit that back, boom, and then all trades is at 6:30 a.m. tomorrow, so it'll tell you the upcoming trades, when will your trades be finished. So like if you buy something now, you place an order, it won't be finished till 6:30 a.m. tomorrow. It shows you, and then right here it shows your bank, like of course your bank, whatever bank you is, your funding history, your holdings, went over that, activity, and your profile, and then pretty much that. You got the transfer button right here. You can transfer. You can do a one-time transfer if you want to do a one-time recurring transfer, like through your job. If you want to make a certain deposit go into the brokerage every month or every couple of weeks from your job, you can do that as well. Right here, these little bit of options to help y'all if you want to do that. Then if you go back, just hit back and shit. So, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And then right here. Then right here, you got another option. You get understand performances, stuff like that. Don't go back out here. There was another option I wanted to show y'all. It was another option and shit I want to show y'all. But yeah, that's a little update I'm gonna just give y'all for right now. With the M1 Finance, what I'm on right now, what I'm using. I was on, like I said, Robinhood, but I'm over here now, so that's the little platform I use just to show y'all, give y'all. Then right here, you could check. Right here, you could check. Click this. You can check individual little stocks. You can click on the little, like me, Charles Schwab. This is what I'm in. Got 100 today, 16 cents. Then go down here. You can see right here this little stock I got right here. The average price is $76.32. So I got $102 in that. So you can just check your little graph right here. You can just move it around, kind of move it around like this, touch it. Underweight, saying I'm underweight right here, and just overweight, and then you just kind of check stuff like that. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. If you learned something, like and subscribe. Whatever you learn, if you like watching it, I am gonna be doing more updates, giving y'all more updates on different videos I'm doing, showing y'all when I put more in, showing you how it's going with my updates and my dividend income as I'm growing it. And y'all have a blessed day.